These Labradors have a new job. Meet Eric and Florence. They have been appointed as assistant vergers at Tewkesbury Abbey. The idea is to meet and greet visitors, but they are also acting as therapy dogs. They belong to head verger Chris Skepper.
We've had a case where a lady sort of came to a service and so she couldn't sit in it because she'd just lost someone recently, but she came and found these and just sort of sat and stroked them, and that's what she needed at that time.
Would you be glad to see them around the Abbey?